Alright, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, I got something that came as a bit of a surprise, but I'm fairly excited for, and it's something that I've been wanting to do ever since I got the car. We have some new wheels for the Miata. Now, obviously, we have to move the Mustang out of the garage, and to do that, we have to do a traditional cold start. 4-cylinder EcoBoost, baby. Without further ado, the wheels for the Miata. Bam! The wheels that every single Miata owner has, and now I have as well. Advanti Storm S1 wheels.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
You guys are probably wondering, Martin, you already have a black pair of wheels, Koenig wheels at that, which are just as reputable, if not more reputable, and a pair of Bridgestone Potenza track tires. So why in God's name would you go ahead and purchase pretty much the exact same thing? Well, with the Storm S1s, these are basically the exact same size on Toyo R888s, which is absolutely nuts. As you guys can tell, this is not a drift build, this is more of a track build, unless I'm in the rain, and then I'm going to be drifting all the time. But yeah, the only difference is these are 15 inches while these are 16 inches that are on the car currently. Hold on, let me move it out of the way. The ones on the car right now are 16 inches. Now, anybody that knows Miatas knows that 16-inch wheels on the Miata are a little bit goofy. When I bought the car for an advertisement, I mistakenly thought that Koenig makes a pair of wheels that is extremely similar to this, and I thought those were the ones that were on it, and I also thought they were 15 inches. But when I went and saw the car in person, it looked a little bit goofy. The wheels work fine, obviously, which is why I pretty much went for the same design and the same kind of tire. They work fine. The only problem is that if you look at this front lip right here, most Miatas are down to the floor. This one is up in the sky. Now, yeah, it is extremely good in clearance, but with this being on stock suspension, and with 16-inch wheels, it looks extremely goofy. Also, now that we have the two wheels side by side, can we just appreciate the concave of the Storm S1s? I love a wheel with some concave on it. And as you can tell, these are pretty much straight, not too much. But these look cool. Also, I bet you guys weren't expecting this. As a Christmas present, my dad, if y'all don't know, this is his shop, obviously it's not mine. He gave me a TV, or we had a bunch of TVs laying around, and I told him, I said it'd be a good idea to hang one of them up on the wall as like background noise. We can watch it. And GM is my favorite YouTuber. Shout out GM if he's watching this. So I always like to have his builds in the background while we're doing stuff on the Miata. Buddy, look who it is. Yes, sir. Oh, he actually made it. It's gonna be lit. Watch out for that lip. Buddy. Bro, remember how in the last video I told you that I loved your wheels?
Yeah.
If y'all don't know, like I said, I literally said in this video, every single Miata owner. Well, come take a look at them. First reaction. I was just getting all the videos and stuff ready.
Oh, and you have the Machine Cat pieces.
Oh yeah, you don't, you? Oh, you can just order those.
Yeah.
But what do you think about them? The tires are absolutely insane.
Dude, those are gonna look so much better than the 16s.
Cause dude, who puts 16s on a Miata? Who does that? Like literally, like whenever I got this car, the owner did not take specific pictures of the wheels, right? They took like an all-around shot, and I asked for a bunch of videos of the car running and everything, and they were very nice. But they did not take any pictures of the wheels, so I just looked at them like, they look a little goofy, whatever. Maybe if I go see it in person, they looked worse in person, brother. If y'all don't know, seeing his car in person and seeing how low it is to the ground, you're on coilovers though, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so obviously my car's not gonna look like this. Sorry if you guys thought it was gonna look this awesome automatically. But, but, I mean, oh yeah, dude, and you got the headlights from the last video. Yeah, you know, okay, so are they the same ones like mine?
I'm not sure if they're the exact same, but I mean, they're real fancy though.
Yeah, mine do that. What about the blinker? You gotta have the key in though for the blinker, I believe, because that was my experience. Let me get in so the camera doesn't go crazy on me. There you go.
Monster, how should I feel? Creatures lie here, looking through the windows. Monster, there are voices in the darkness, and they say they won't go.
Stay long enough at the abyss, and it seems to start to stare back at you. Lost inside my head is a scary place I've adapted to. Friends and family calling.
So status report, we went ahead and put the fourth one on. We haven't torqued them yet. We are gonna do that. But yeah, the whole goal, I think they look extremely clean, first of all. I think they look really nice. Those are the old wheels off. I like the design. It's just they're way too big. But yeah, looking at them, I mean, the whole goal was to have a cleaner look and try to lower the car a little bit. And the wheels are clean. We definitely achieved that. But now I can fit like everybody's cousin into my wheel gap. So so the car stayed the same. I mean, I guess it's got to settle a little bit, maybe. That's what I'm just telling myself. Other than that, it looks pretty good. If it stays like this, then coilovers are definitely gonna be the next mod. But let's go ahead and torque the front ones, and let's go ahead and change out the rear ones, and we'll get a final look.
It's all the same, I just stare at an empty page, ruminate about all the things that are piled up on my plate. Time I take control of my brain, no, I can't just pray this away. So
Monster, how should I feel? Creatures lie here, looking through the windows. Monster, there are voices in the darkness, and they say they won't.
Oh my gosh.
Well, guys, welcome to the lifted Miata project. You know how I said this was a track Miata? I'm actually playing with you guys if you guys can't tell. Hopefully it will settle some. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, Lordy.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Settle. They're gonna settle.
Oh, right.
They're gonna settle. He's laughing at me. They're gonna settle.
Sure they are.
Damn.
Whole fist and a finger.
2 fingers, dude. Get it right. Oh, Lordy! Boys, is this a fail? Is this a fail? By the looks of it, it does not look like a win. But I am fairly hopeful. You know what? The fact that the wheel gap looks the way it does gives me 1,000,000% appreciation for all the money I've spent on my suspension on the Mustang. Okay, it's money well spent, boys. Hey Blake, you know how your license plate frame says I hate speed bumps?
Yeah.
I don't. Blake's about to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope he gets away with it. Oh, yeah, it's working! Oh, the doo-dah day. We're doing this. We're doing it.
Just don't hit any bumps.
Oh, shit. All right. Okay. Yeah.
That's 2 fingers gone.
Yes, sir. So, if you guys don't know, in America we measure things in cinder blocks to fingers. So the suspension rate of these springs are 4 cinder blocks to 2 fingers.
Here, I'll sit back here too.
There you go, Blake. Dude, that's actually what, dude. Oh, dude, you can't see because like you're in the trunk, but that legit worked right here. Sick. Now we're at 2 fingers. Yeah, that's good. That's good. This has been a fail, boys. This has been a fail. I mean, yeah, clean wheels, right? But we're monster trucking. So, okay, so just as a status update, Blake went ahead and got his radio plugged in. For Christmas, he got a touchscreen radio, and he told me it's Pioneer, and we got it all plugged up, and it works, and it is really loud. He has an amplifier, but he hasn't plugged it up yet. Nice. I think this is more than enough for a Miata. Add that with an amplifier and a sub eventually, and you're gonna be good. You're gonna be sick. See, these are the struggles that you have when you own a stock Miata. Like, he didn't have to worry about this because he already bought his the way it is. I like the journey, man. I love the destination, don't get me wrong, but I love the journey. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. Sorry I haven't posted anything in a little while. I kind of just get stuff as I'm able to get them, and then we'll make a video about them. I'm not in any hurry to put anything on. This is a small progression of a build. And yeah, other than that, I'm still glad we have Blake's here. If he does anything else, we can go ahead and record it. But yeah, guys, like, subscribe. I already said it once. And see y'all. Tell them bye, Blake.
Bye.
Peace.